Welcome to Karkhana, a makerspace. Hello nerds. Today we are going to see what is Arduino CLI, Command Line Interface, and how to use it. So follow my steps. First of all, open Google Chrome or any other web browser you're having on your system. In the address bar, type the following address. In the address bar, just type www.github.com/arduino/arduino-cli. Okay, so let's scroll down. Yeah, here it is. So here you can see there are different versions of CLI for Linux, Windows and Mac. So after all, we are going to install Windows version. A pop-up will come where you have to save your desired location. I have already saved it in desktop, so I'm going to open it. So you will get a zip file on your desktop, extract it and you will get a folder. So open that folder, you will get an executable file that is named something Arduino CLI 0.20 alpha preview Windows. Okay, let's on moving forward. When you will run this executable file, you will see that you have to open this in command prompt. Click on start button, type run. You will get both run prompt and command prompt, so it's better to open command prompt. After opening command prompt, our mission is to navigate to that executable file where we have downloaded and saved. So just follow my steps how I'm navigating to that location. So after navigating to that folder, we will write the same name of the executable file which we have downloaded. After pressing enter, you will see Arduino Command Line Interface in bracket Arduino CLI and different types of available command which we can use for different functions. So that's it. In our next video, we will see how to make a new blank Arduino INO file. Stay tuned, keep watching, keep learning.